Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get UTC in minutes. So, what we're gonna do is just go here and create a bunch of dates. But yeah, keep in mind though they have the same time. They should be have the same time. I mean, for you to understand, it doesn't matter though. And the second thing is the GMT will be different. So 15 and 30, and now what we're gonna do, use the GMT plus Geo7 and Geo. I usually say oh, but if I say oh, you're gonna kill me now. So yeah, and now Control plus C and Control plus B. I mean command. Sorry. So after that, when we do that, and yeah, date 2. When we do that and use the get UTC minutes, it's gonna say the local minutes of that place. So it's 15 there, and if we use the do, oh, there's something on. Oh yeah, it should be that. Yeah, so yeah, 45. See, so this is what it does if we need to do that. So it's 45, and you get the local time of that particular place, or you can say particular GMT plus or minus that place. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.